Hello, everyone. Today we have a straightforward question. Which one of these statements is wrong regarding bone cells? Osteoclasts are the most abundant bone cells. Is this wrong? Bone resorption is usually needed to stimulate bone formation and remodeling. Osteoblasts live approximately 100 days. Osteocytes orchestrate bone formation and resorption by sending signals to osteoclasts and osteoblasts, or on average, bone remodeling cycle takes about 3 to 4 months to complete. Which one of these statements is wrong? And the right choice would be osteoclasts are the most abundant bone cells. Actually, osteoclasts are just few on the bone surface because they are highly biologically active, and if they are abundant, they are going to eat the bone and induce bone resorption very quick. So the patient is going to lose a lot of bone. Actually, the most abundant type of bone cells are the osteocytes. And these osteocytes, as you can see here, um, have this elongation. They connect to each other. They crosstalk to each other. They are actually mature bone cells. They used to be osteoblasts, but these osteoblasts lay out collagen, which is the protein component of the bone, the osteoid. And these osteoids get mineralized with the hydroxyapatite crystals of calcium and phosphorus. Then these osteoblasts now are trapped inside the mineralized matrix, and it change its structure, function, and become osteocytes. It's very abundant in the bone cells. These osteoblasts have a pivotal role in regulating bone mineral homeostasis. It orchestrates the bone formation and resorption by sending signals to both osteoclasts and osteoblasts. It's the brain cells of the bone. So if, just for an analogy, the bone is a bird, the head of the bird would be the osteocytes. The two wings will be the osteoblasts and the osteoclasts. So the brain cells, the osteocytes, send signals to the wings to speed up or slow down and orchestrate its movement. It's the mechanoreceptor and the stress sensors. It has a lot of endocrine, paracrine, and autocrine functions because it secretes a lot of hormones like FGF23, sclerostin, RANK-L, and a lot of interleukins. Osteoblasts live longer, live about 100 days, but osteoclasts lives just for 3 to 5 days, not more than 10 days, because it's biologically very active, so it doesn't live longer. And the bone resorption is usually needed to initiate bone remodeling cycle. Here are the mononucleated osteoblasts. After it completes its function and lay out the collagen, it changes to osteocytes, start to communicate with each other through these elongations. And the duration of bone remodeling cycle is usually about 3 to 4 months, depending on several factors like hormonal factors and the age and the activity. So younger population tend to have higher bone turnover, higher bone remodeling, and also modeling. So in elderly people, it takes about maybe up to 6 months for the bone remodeling cycle to complete. In younger, it takes 2 to 3 months. Here is a reference. Thank you so much for listening.